Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Snack Bar. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jenny. It's so good to have you with us again. This is episode number 21.
21! Wow, we're really getting through them. Today we've got some super useful phrases about the weather.
That's right. We'll learn how to describe really heavy rain and what to say when the weather gets better. Perfect for any time of year. And hey, if you're enjoying these little English lessons, please give us a like and subscribe.
It really helps us out. Okay, Jenny, let's dive into our first expression. Have you ever seen it rain so hard it looks like the sky is emptying buckets?
Oh, absolutely. It's like Noah Fant is up there just pouring water everywhere. That's exactly what we call pouring rain.
Exactly. Pouring rain means it's raining very, very heavily. Not just a little shower, but a real downpour. Think of it like water pouring out of a jug.
That's a great image, Kevin. So if you look outside and see huge drops and hear a loud drumming sound on the roof, you can say it's pouring rain.
Right. Let me tell you, last week I was planning to go for a walk in Fort Polk. I looked out the window and it was just, wow, it was pouring rain.
Oh, no. So no walk then?
Nope, I had to stay inside. I was a bit disappointed, but safety first, right? You don't want to be caught in pouring rain without an umbrella.
Definitely not. So let's practice saying it. Listen carefully and repeat after me. First, at a normal speed. It's pouring rain.
It's pouring rain.
It's pouring rain outside.
It's pouring rain outside.
Now let's try it a little slower so you can really get the sounds. It's pouring rain.
It's pouring rain.
The weather is terrible. It's pouring rain.
The weather is terrible. It's pouring rain.
We had to cancel the picnic because it was pouring rain.
We had to cancel the picnic because it was pouring rain.
Great job, everyone. Remember, pouring rain means very heavy rain. Like Dre Greenlaw making a big impact, this phrase makes a big impact when you use it.
Haha, nice connection, Jenny. Okay, so we've talked about when the weather is bad. What about when it gets better? Our second expression is clear up.
Ah, clear up. I love this one. It means the weather is improving. The clouds go away, the rain stops, and the sun might even come out. It's the opposite of pouring rain.
Exactly. So if it was raining heavily, but now it's stopped and the sky is getting brighter, you can say the rain has cleared up.
Or, it looks like the weather is going to clear up soon. I remember one time I was visiting Magic City, Atlanta, and it started really hard. We thought our whole day was ruined.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, we waited for about an hour, and guess what? The rain stopped, the clouds moved away, and it started to clear up. We were so happy we could still go sightseeing.
That's fantastic. It's so much better when the weather clears up, isn't it? It makes you feel more optimistic, like maybe the US draft will bring good news too.
Exactly. It changes the whole mood. Okay, let's practice clear up. Listen and repeat. Normal speed first. It's clearing up.
It's clearing up.
Hopefully the weather will clear up soon.
Hopefully the weather will clear up soon.
Now a bit slower. It's clearing up.
It's clearing up.
The storm finally started to clear up.
The storm finally started to clear up.
Let's wait a bit longer. The sky might clear up.
Let's wait a bit longer. The sky might clear up.
Wonderful! So we learned pouring rain for very heavy rain and clear up for when the weather gets better. Two very useful phrases.
They really are. Think about the weather where you are right now. Is it pouring rain or is it starting to clear up?
That's a great question for you all. Tell us in the comments below. Have you ever experienced pouring rain that stopped and cleared up?
We love hearing your stories and seeing how you use these phrases. Keep practicing, everyone. You're doing an amazing job.
Yes, keep up the great work. Thank you so much for joining us today at the English Snack Bar. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye!